In a crowded city apartment, a family discovers a monthly repair cafe that turns old appliances into working tools. They bring a broken blender, a dented kettle, and a stubborn fan, learning fixes that save real cash. They swap tips with neighbors, borrow tools from a local library, and log every saving in a community notebook. Their balcony garden thrives on rescued containers, scraps become compost, and energy bills finally dip as they measure savings each month. By season's end, their story travels, inspiring others to rethink waste and embrace shared resources.